The history of human exploration, from caves to space. Human exploration is a story of curiosity, survival, ambition, and ingenuity. Spanning hundreds of thousands of years, it reflects our drive to understand the world and beyond. This journey can be broken down into 5 major eras. 1. Prehistoric exploration, the age of migration. Our story begins over 100,000 years ago, when early Homo sapiens began migrating out of Africa. These were not explorations in the modern sense, but movements driven by survival, searching for food, better climate, and safety. By 10,000 BCE, humans had spread to every continent except Antarctica, settling diverse and often hostile environments. 2. Ancient civilizations and seafaring. Circa 3000 BCE to 500 CE, as civilizations formed, Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and later Greece and Rome, so did organized exploration. Egyptians sailed the Nile, Phoenicians navigated the Mediterranean, Polynesians crossed thousands of miles of open ocean to colonize islands across the Pacific. Around 200 BCE, the Silk Road began linking east and west, making travel and cultural exchange possible on a grand scale. 3. The Age of Discovery, 15th to 17th centuries. This period marked a dramatic leap. Driven by trade, empire building, and scientific curiosity, European explorers like Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and Ferdinand Magellan set sail into the unknown. These voyages connected continents in unprecedented ways, often with devastating consequences for indigenous peoples. But they also transformed global understanding of geography, biology, and astronomy. The modern era. Polar frontiers and the deep sea. 18th to 20th centuries. The 18th and 19th centuries brought precision mapping and scientific exploration. James Cook charted the Pacific. Explorers raced to the North and South Poles. By the 20th century, Jacques Cousteau and others began exploring the ocean depths, while mountaineers summited Everest. Humanity had reached nearly every corner of Earth. The Space Age, 1957 present. The launch of Sputnik in 1957 ushered in space exploration. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space, followed by Neil Armstrong walking on the moon in 1969. Since then, we've sent probes to the outer solar system, built the International Space Station, landed rovers on Mars, and even peered into galaxies billions of light years away. Exploration today includes private spaceflight and plans for missions to Mars.